Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Duolingo. Then this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.